Since I posted the video with that arbor, I have made some changes and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's take a look, guys. Big reveal. Hi guys, how you all doing? What's up? Wagwan in Jamaican patois. Yeah guys, it is very overcast today, but I am very happy. Why? Because for the last 3 days it has been mega hot. Like it's been like 39 or 32 whatever, but it felt like 42 as the forecast said it would feel like. And so yeah, we have been sweating a lot. Yeah, I just came to the greenhouse. It's the afternoon now. It's been raining, but I wanted to check out what's going on in the veggie garden and just spend some time in the greenhouse, because believe you me, I still have things to go in the ground. Like, check out those things down there. There are some sunflowers that I have to go in the ground, which I have been tentative to put in the ground because of the chipmunks. And here I have some, well, I bought it online. They said it's callaloo. The leaves look a bit long, almost like a spinach, but I'll see what becomes of it. And these I got from my sister. She sent me some seeds from New Jersey, and these are callaloo. So I need to clean up a space to put these. Not sure if I'll get to do that today, but we'll see what happens. Let's go out in the garden now, and we are gonna take a look at that arbor that I installed in the veggie garden. Because guess what? Since I posted the video with that arbor, I have made some changes and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's take a look, guys. Big reveal. There we go. Let's talk a little about it. Now remember guys, the last time you saw this arbor, there were those 2 posts and those 2 posts and the top. There was nothing in between, but now I have transformed it into being a multi-purpose arbor, just like I wanted it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you an update on the grape vines that I planted. Now this one, when I planted it, didn't have any tendrils that were reaching out. Now it has tendrils, and the tendrils are taken to the arbor and climbing. So that is pretty good news for us, right? In the middle here, I have planted some hyssop, and I put the pots in the ground, but the bottom of the pots are actually out. I just wanna control them somewhat, and so that is why I put them in the pots. And I have some over here also. And here is the other grapevine. When I planted it, that's just about where it was, that what you can see in the frame right now. But check this out. It is growing. It's actually going up the arbor. It's doing pretty well. Obviously, it is pretty happy. I just snip out the tops of the vines so that I can get some offshoots, because I don't want it to just be climbing up the arbor long and lanky. I need side shoots, right? So we can get that fullness. Now, one of the questions for the arbor was, do I put a post in the middle? Do I put 2 posts on either side of the walkway? And one of the reasons why I said I would prefer the 2 posts on either side of the walkway is because I decided that they could be functional. And so instead of putting 1 post like a dance pole or something in the middle there, I went ahead and I put the 2 over here and the 2 over there. And guess what? Not only did I put the The camera just shook a bit. It's the mosquitoes that are getting at me right now. Sorry, guys. Okay, so not only did I put the post, which actually is mega extra support for the arbor, because I actually can swing on this thing, right? So the posts give extra support, and guess what? They also give another area where I can trellis things up, because after putting in the post, I decided to put the chicken wire on. There we go. So at the base here, I have cucumber plants. I think that's Lebanese cucumber. And over here, under my protection from the chipmunks, I have a Market More cucumber that I bought online. And so yeah, guys, I have 2 trellises. So not only do we have the trellis for the grapevines to trail and go up and over, but we have the 2 trellises here that can be seasonal, right? So the grapevines will always be on the sides and over, but the trellis in the middle here will be seasonal with whatever I want to put on it. And yeah, I'm chatting away here and you guys are hearing what I'm saying. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening, for taking your time to watch these videos and subscribing to the channel. I appreciate it a lot. So I'm sure you can see those pots. Those pots are hanging from the arbor. Guess what? I just went around the property and I looked for pieces of wood that was thick enough. That's number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. They are thick enough and strong enough so that I can actually install them to the arbor and use them to hang plants. Here I have tomato hanging. Over here I also have tomatoes hanging. And guess what I have in the middle? I have melons. Yes, melons, my friends. I have added melons here and here, and my hope is that I am able to hide them from the chipmunks, that they won't climb up my arbor and go after my melons, right? Neither my tomatoes, because they're always looking for seeds. It seems like they're always hungry. Yeah, guys, so I am so happy. Look at it. Don't you think it is a wonder? Don't you think it is a lovely multi-purpose arbor? Drop it in the comments and let me know what you think. I would really like to hear your thoughts. I told you guys that I could actually swing on this thing because it is so strong, and I am going to show you what I mean. Check this out. Ah, it is so strong. It is mega strong. And so I am so pleased with myself. Like, I built one when I was in Toronto, and as much as it held the grapes, I don't think I could swing on it. I think if I had tried swinging on it, I would have torn it down. But this one, it is multi-purpose, it is strong, and it is my baby. Thank you, guys. I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go and get some corns and maybe some peppers in the ground, because I still have stuff in pots around the garden to get. The bugs are out, guys. They are out. I still have pots around the garden to get the stuff into the ground. And so yeah, when I get everything in the ground, maybe I'll go ahead and give you guys a walkthrough to show you my veggie garden a little bit. Some things are, well, I shouldn't say some things. I would just say that basically I am pretty happy with the garden, especially my squash patch, because last year I didn't get a single squash because I was so tentative to put them in the ground because of the chipmunks. And then by the time I put them in the ground, it was too late. And so I didn't get anything. This year, they are looking big and beautiful. And so I'm happy with that. But anyways, guys, I'm not going to take up any more of your time because time is money. And I appreciate that the time that you spend here with me. I appreciate you. Please like the video if you like it. If you like what I've done, I like what I've done. I'm so happy. And believe me, I am off to, yeah, I did something else in the front that I'm going to share with you guys. And I'm off to another arbor. And I need to get more lumber because I have a couple more things that I want to do around here at the Petal Place property. It keeps going, guys, so please stick with me on this journey. Share the videos for me too, please, guys, because the more you share and like and leave a comment, the better the channel does. I'm still under 300, and the truth be told, I think I'm doing so much here that so many people can benefit from, and so I would really like to have more people seeing what I'm doing. I'd like to have more people seeing all the DIY ideas that they could be doing in their gardens too, because oftentimes things look like they're so far-fetched, like you couldn't get it done, but then one hole at a time, one post at a time, one bar at a time, one thing at a time, and you can get it done. Believe me, it is doable. If I can do it, you can do it too. Thank you so much again, guys. I appreciate you. Remember, dare to be different. Follow your own star. I'll see you in the next video. I can't wait to share more with you.